Okay, this is Buster, Green Tree Blustery Wind Storm. And he says, what on earth do you want? He's never been in the round pen before. No. He just had his Coggins test drawn. Stood perfectly for the vet. No issues. Buster, can you move away from me? That's right. Good boy. Now go forward. That's right. Good boy. Yep, that dog is in the way, isn't she? Come on. That's a boy. That's Trot. Good boy. Trot. Good boy, Buster. That's it. Yep, you don't like that dog, huh? Okay, Buster. Whoa. 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 Good boy. Now, Buster, I want you to go the other way. That's right. Nope. You have to turn toward me. Nope, you have to turn toward me. This is his first time in the round pen. This is his first time to have any of this kind of education. That's right, good boy. Nope. That's right, good boy. That's right, good boy. Come on, you'll get it. You'll figure it out. He says, I don't know about you being on my right side. There you go, good boy. That's Trot, good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy, Buster. Whoa. Buster, whoa. Whoa. That's right, good boy. All right. Let's go the other way again. Let's go the other way. Good boy. Look how smart you are. Now we'll see how smart you are when we go to turn the other way again. What a good boy. Trot. You don't need to pay attention to the dog. Pay attention to me. That's a boy. Buster, whoa. 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 Yep, I missed my chance. Buster, whoa. That's right. Whoa. Now we're going to go the other way again. That's right. You figured it out once, you can figure it out again. That's right. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, you got the chain over your nose, huh? Buster, trot. What a good boy. Buster, can you walk? Easy. Can you go easy? That's right. That's walk. Walk. Buster, whoa. No. Whoa. Good boy. Okay, let's go the other way. That's right. Good boy. Trot. Now, Buster, can you walk? Easy. 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 That's right. That's trot. All right, now can you come down and easy? Can you walk? Walk. See, not right now, I can't. See, full moon with a storm coming in. I'm impressed he's doing as well as he is. Buster, whoa. Whoa. Let's go the other way. That's right, good boy. Look how smart you are. Look how smart you are. What a good boy. That's walk. Trot. Good boy. Buster, trot. Yes. I'm still boss. I'm still boss. Buster. Whoa. Whoa. Now I want to do something different. Buster, can you come here? Come here. Come here. Come on. You can walk over here. Good boy. Come on. That's a good boy. Buster, come here. That's a good boy. Come on. Oh, such a good boy. Come on, all the way to me. Come on. Come here. Come here. Such a good boy. I want you to come one more step to me. There. I like them to come up to the point that they can smell me, touch me, without being any kind of nippy or pushy. And now we'll turn and go back to the barn. Yes. Walk on.